Hi. So there is only 1 month, that is 30 days are left for your almost. I'm taking a round figure of 30 days because we know we do waste some days without studying for the NET JRF exam. Okay. So what should we do in last 1 month? How should we manage our time? How should we prepare in the last moment? Okay, let's see. I have very few steps which you need to follow religiously to crack this exam in your first attempt. Okay, what should we do in our last 1 month? Okay, first thing you should do is divide the syllabus. Divide the syllabus to paper 1 and paper 2. Both contains 10 units. You have almost 30 days. So, 3 days for one unit. Okay, use this strategy where 2 plus 1, which means for 2 days you're reading entire topic, you're finishing the topic thoroughly, and 1 day you are attending all the questions mocks that are available online. If you are taking any coaching or any of the subscription you have that is used to follow these MCQs or whatever, so do that. Read for 2 days, then solve entire syllabus in 1 day. Solve the questions, practice the questions that will help you in the actual exam. Okay, then most of the friends ask me that how to manage our time. So I would suggest you study for 6 hours a day. I would say this is the ideal. You can with focus, I'm telling with focus. So study for 6 hours. What should you do in 6 hours? This is my strategy. For 2 hours you should give paper 1. For paper 1 you should dedicate only 2 hours, but for paper 2 you should dedicate 4 hours. Okay, this is how you manage the time. And also in this, for the first, I told you the 2 plus 1 strategy where 2 days you are reading. For 1 day you are solving, practicing the questions. That's it. Then one more very important thing that you need to realize is contemporary topics. It is more important. So please focus on this, study this. And also one more topic that is mostly asked in paper 1 and paper 2 is, that is the overlapping, is research. So please focus on that also. But don't forget the contemporary topics. We all think it is very tough, it is very confusing, we can't remember. Don't give these excuses. Please study contemporary topics. And then fourth one, which is very very important, which is PYQ. Even if you can't solve the question papers in this 1 day 2 plus 1 strategy, at least make sure you will solve all the PYQs of your subject religiously. Make sure you solve every question paper that has been asked. And if you find any free mocks, please solve them. Okay. And if you think this strategy will work for you, I would say just take a challenge of 30 days. 30 days challenge for NET 2025. You all know that exam date have been released. So I know there are more days than 30 days. Why I counted 30 days is, so there are days we don't study, there are days we just skip. So I wanted to count only the days which we actually study. So 30 days is a round figure, so I took this. So I would say if you take a challenge of 30 days hard challenge, which you can say hard because net is always hard. So follow the strategy, do well. And if you want anything you want, you can comment on my channel. So comment section is yours. You can also share this with your friends. And thank you so much. Subscribe for more.